If you're looking for the best lead generation tools for your business, you have came to the right place. I'm going to give you the exact lead generation tools that we use in our lead generation agency to generate more than 5,000 appointments per month on autopilot, and each lead costs less than $20. So if you're watching this video and you're curious about these tools, it's important to know that a tool is only as good as the person using it. So it's not going to be enough to simply click on the links and get the tools. You're actually going to have to study these tools and learn how to use it, how to apply it. And to do that, there's other videos on my channel to teach you how to do that. But for the sake of this video, let's dive into some of these tools and how you can use them to generate more unlimited high quality leads for your company and keep your sales pipeline totally stacked, totally full. And if you want more videos like this, please hit the like button so that you see more, and please subscribe so you never miss another one. All right, now let's dive into some of these amazing tools that we use within our company. And before we do, just know that I have split tested every single lead generation tool as it comes out, and I pick only the best ones. I run this lead generation agency as well as a major marketing firm. I'm the CMO, and there is not a single tool that is out there that I have not tried. It is mainstream and it is used for generating leads, I promise you. So you're getting this information directly from the source, the expert, and I'm excited to share with you my results. All right, as you can see here, I actually went one step further and I put together a sleek bio link so you can see all of my recommended tools all in one place. This will be linked in the description of the YouTube video. So let's dive into it. Starting with number one, my recommended tool for CRM and lead nurture. Obviously, this is Go High Level. If you're not familiar with this tool, it's an all-in-one CRM. What's so cool about this one is it's got an AI appointment booker built in as long as you have the agency plan, so that you can nurture your leads without hiring a bunch of setters. Now, this is absolutely unbelievable. What's also insanely cool about Go High Level is that you can assign unlimited sub accounts. So if you're a marketing agency and you have clients, you can give them your own white labeled Go High Level account, get them integrated into your CRM so that they are tied to your business, and leaving is going to be much harder. And if they're a company that generates leads, now they can use the same AI appointment booker and setter to do that for their own company. You can give them SMS capabilities, funnels, forms, calendar. This thing is unbelievable and gives you great reporting because everything is already together. To take it one step further with Go High Level, if you're running lead ads on Facebook or TikTok, this thing integrates directly into the lead form so that you can connect it to your Go High Level and nurture those leads straight from. You don't have to use Zapier to get things in anymore. Number two, if you're doing cold email, and you should be doing cold email if we're talking about lead generation, because there's nothing that's going to give you cheaper leads than getting really good at cold email. And this Instantly.ai is my favorite tool for cold email. One of the things that I love most about Instantly.ai is that it's new. It's been around for a little bit over a year, and they are innovating so fast. They're rolling out new features all the time. The emails deliver really cleanly. Their reporting is awesome. It's got a great user interface, and it's relatively affordable. Instantly.ai, I have tested this one against probably 10 other cold email softwares, at least 10. All of the cold email sending tools that have been around for a long time are going to charge you an arm and a leg. Instantly.ai scales with you, super scalable, but what's super cool about it is you can warm your emails, unlimited warming directly within the platform. It monitors the health of your inbox, and unlimited sending accounts, unlimited campaigns. You just pay per how many leads you have. So if a campaign runs out, clear the leads, add another one, and this tool is going to change your life for cold emailing. My number one recommended choice for B2B database, and if you're doing cold email or you're doing cold call or any kind of outreach, you're going to need high quality lead data. And the best bang for your buck is going to be Apollo.io. We have experimented with Seamless. We have experimented with Zoom Info, Rocket Reach. We actually use a lot of these in combination. But if you're looking for the best bang for your buck, Apollo.io is going to be it. Look at the pricing on this. So unless you're extracting tens of thousands of emails per day and exporting them, which you can get a custom plan. We pay about $2,000 per year for this custom plan for 1 million exports. Then all of these are going to be great ways to start. They've got great data, and they've got a ton of built-in marketing suites, including cold email sending and enrichment and cold calling, that you can use within Apollo.io to keep everything in one place. The next tool that I'm going to share with you is for LinkedIn automation. And if you're doing cold email, you may as well do LinkedIn outbound as well. There's a few tools that do LinkedIn automation. However, there's only 2 tools that do it well. And these tools are light years beyond the capability of most of the other tools out there. And I'll tell you why. LinkedIn automation usually limits what you're able to do automated. So for example, how most of the tools work, 95% of the tools that I've seen, you have to connect with somebody. You can send them a connection message. And in order to send them a follow-up message, which is really the real message with the link that's going to get that call, they need to accept. And most people don't. However, with the tools that I'm about to share with you, they do not need to accept. You can message people directly who are in your group or in your event. It's very easy to sign up for a group or an event. Without having to connect, you just send them the marketing message, and it's highly targeted, and we generate a ton of calls from LinkedIn automation. So use one of the 2 tools I'm about to teach you, but let's dive into the tools. The first tool that I wanted to recommend is called Meet Alfred. Now, this is a very advanced tool, but what's best about it is it's very easy to use. The second tool that I'm going to be showing you for LinkedIn automation is much harder to use. So if you're new to lead generation, start with Meet Alfred. Very easy to set up. The UI is really clean. It's relatively affordable. For about $89 per month, you get access to everything that you're going to need. Sorry, $79 per month, $99 if you pay monthly. You will need the business plan to do what I was just speaking about. Everything is hosted on the web. They have a proxy for you, so you don't have to worry about any of the technical stuff. And it's fairly advanced, light years more advanced than 95% of the tools out there. Now, the second tool that I want to tell you about, I'm not going to show you on the web, but it is called Linked Helper 2, and it is for advanced users only. This thing is not easy to use, but it is light years ahead of Meet Alfred, which is light years ahead of the next competitor. So just know that if you want to really get good and you want to dial in your lead generation to the ultimate, Linked Helper 2 is going to be the way to go. You will need a server to host this thing on that needs to run 24/7. You will need custom proxies, and you will need to really dive in there and customize every little function. It's pretty involved. We actually have a server running in our back room that's hosting all of our accounts for Linked Helper, and an expert who remotely logs in and manages everything. All right, diving back into the recommended tools, I think one of the best ways to generate leads and build a community is by actually having a free course and a free community that you can offer people to bring them all under one roof, give them access to your content, and nurture an actual community feeling. School.com is the best one by far. What's even better about it, it replaces Kajabi. You can build courses, you can build classrooms, you can build networking areas, and you can use your YouTube videos as your course content. So if you're in my community, in my course, it's just my YouTube videos, and they're generating views from my course. By the way, if you want to join the course, you can find that pretty quickly in this link. But this is definitely something that I recommend doing. I think everybody needs a course in a community, especially if you're an agency or an expert and you're selling something, a done-for-you service. You need a community to funnel your leads into and house all of your leads, give them more value, and talk to them. This is a great place to do it. All right, if you found this helpful and you're going to start using a lot of these tools, please like this video so that you see more on lead generation, because you want to get better at this, and the only way to get better is to consume more. And by liking this video and subscribing to this channel, you will be shown more content that helps you grow in your business, generate more qualified leads, and increase your revenue. If you want access to this recommended tools list, it's going to be right down there in the episode description. Please click there, and please watch these videos to learn more about lead generation for your business. And I'll see you in the next one.